Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to Missori. So from dito sa amin papunta sa Missori is 1.5 hours. Let's go. Sunny day siya guys, pero malamig. It's sunny weather and also cold sunny weather. It's weather.
Well, and I was thinking my bucket was only probably a 60, but looking at it, it's like, man, my bucket's closer to that. Yeah. My bucket's either 672 or 78. Yeah.
Oh, this one is the forklift, huh? Ayan, yung pagkain ng cows. Ay.
Oh, okay. I'm thinking 72.
72. Alright, was you looking for just a standard grapple, like a heavy duty one, or?
Cows. Ayan, cows protein pala ito.
Well, here, I can show you a cheap one right here. And it's still pretty good.
What?
72 to 60, 75.
So, ayan ang binili ni James, guys. 78. So, dito ang kanilang office, guys. Marami din naka-display. So, this is protein supplement for cows.
And they played together and they were phenomenal together.
So, yun na guys. Ginawa na yan guys. And then, lalagay na yan dyan. Oh, it's the cool, my love, right? Cool, Oh, they are not using tractor. motor. Lalagyan natin dyan. So, tapos na kami bumili guys. And pauwi na kami sa another 1.5 hours. So, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!